it's you!
Welcome back! I have brought a blast from the past with me this time. This is gonna be a video about the online drawing board drawer. Some quick backstory to make this round like a donut. Drawr was launched by Pixiv, a Japanese artist online community where you can upload your drawings and participate in events, much like DeviantArt. If you have a Pixiv account, you can log into Drawr with it. If you're familiar with Tigake, also an oldie but goldie, or Paintberry, quite new, they follow the same kind of build-up. You can't write, but you can draw comments under other people's doodles and participate in drawing threads, maybe even roleplay. The tools on Drawr are super minimalistic and in Japanese, but I kinda made an explanation blog post, so I'll link that in the description. People get so creative and sometimes even painterly on there, but I'm not that dude. I love being basic. So I start off doing a very light sketch, then I mix the colors. The colors above are all the colors you get. There's no color wheel, but you can layer them with the 50% opacity option and then just pick up the color you made happen with the eyedrop tool. Since Drawr has no layers, I draw over the face with low opacity so I can still see the facial features. The parts like clothes that I can easily draw without a sketch peeking through, I just use blocky flats at. Then I shade and add line art and then some extra blubber like sparkles or words. Honestly, you can do so much more artsy-fartsy looking stuff on there. Just go play a bit. So now I'm gonna draw a G-star drawing on drawing the draw on the drawer. Let's go. Thanks for watching so far. Here's a super cool side note. Sometimes if you hover over a finished drawing of an artist, you can see their process in real time. So that's pretty nifty and makes you not need my video at all. but hey, it just records the canvas, not the tools, okay? So maybe I helped a little bit. Don't have a great rest of the day. Stay fun. Bye.